Believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that maybe you might like. Okay, this is the website. My boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this here. So I would add your photos in this gallery link, this link. And same with the contact details, we can add in this link. And of course your map. And if you have any other services that you want to add, you can also use this link. Okay. And of course about the company, you can use the link. Okay, maybe if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit the reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. I forgot to mention my name is Julie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing and Red Deer. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Whoopsie.